What is stormwater and where does it go? Understanding stormwater is simply rainwater or melted snow that runs off land and buildings instead of soaking into the ground. When rain falls on grass, soil, or forests, much of it is absorbed. But in cities and developed areas, roads, sidewalks, parking lots, and rooftops prevent water from soaking in. Instead, the water flows over these surfaces, picking up dirt, oil, trash, and other pollutants along the way. This is what we call stormwater runoff. Stormwater can become a big problem because it moves quickly and collects contaminants. Unlike wastewater from homes and businesses, stormwater usually doesn't go through a treatment plant before it reaches rivers, lakes, or oceans. That's why it's important to manage stormwater properly. Where does stormwater go? Stormwater can follow different paths depending on how well a city or town is designed to handle it. Here's a step-by-step look at where it usually goes. 1. Absorption into the ground in natural areas. Much of the rainwater soaks into the soil. Trees, plants, and grass help absorb and filter water, making sure it returns to underground water supplies, also called groundwater. This process is important because it helps prevent floods and keeps water clean. 2. Storm drains and sewer systems. In cities, stormwater that can't soak into the ground flows into storm drains. These are the metal grates you see on streets and parking lots. The water enters underground pipes that move it away quickly. Unlike wastewater from sinks and toilets, which goes to treatment plants, stormwater in most cities flows directly into nearby rivers, lakes, or other water bodies without being cleaned. 3. Retention ponds and detention basins. Many urban areas build special ponds or basins to hold stormwater temporarily. Retention ponds keep water for a longer time, allowing some of it to soak into the ground. Detention basins hold water only for a short time before slowly releasing it into rivers or lakes. These structures help reduce flooding and improve water quality by trapping pollutants and letting sediment settle. 4. Natural water bodies. Rivers, lakes, and oceans. Eventually, most stormwater ends up in rivers, lakes, or oceans. Since it often carries dirt, oil, chemicals, and trash, it can cause pollution and harm fish, plants, and drinking water supplies. That's why managing stormwater properly is so important.